Anybody in here having to put a behavior plan or enforce a behavior plan where the reinforcement or the reward is screen time? Yeah. Think about that, and I want you to question and have a discussion with people around that. If we have difficulty with kids interacting with human connection, and as they behave well, we give them screen time as a reward, we're actually perpetuating the problem. Get them away from the screen. I understand that you don't have the call on that, and it's part of the plan, but what I want you to consider is if it's part of the plan and that's what you got to do, consider taking a little bit of that moment just to have a conversation with the child, to chat with the child. Not that's all, okay, you've done X, Y, and Z, you get 5 minutes screen time. X, Y, and Z, 5 minutes screen time. No social interaction building there. It doesn't matter what your disability or challenge or documented whatever is, you need that social interaction.